Look, Grandma. We can feed ourselves. Oh, whoops. Let's see. Happy. Did you feed yourself tonight? How was it? Yeah. Oh, the dog's gonna help. That's okay. There's the bowl. Lovely. Marley. There's Marley's spoon. She's really interested. Not sure. This is there. Oh, don't touch it. No, there's a dirty hand. That's one way to do it. Hi.